Welcome back, everybody. So today we're taking a look at a 2020 Mercedes-Benz S560. It's a 4-door sedan, 4.0 liter V8 engine, rear wheel drive. So there's no accidents or damage reported. It's got regular oil changes, Carfax one owner vehicle. It was a corporate vehicle and it had 14,000 miles last reported on the odometer. We're gonna go ahead and get straight into the walkthrough video. I'm gonna show you guys the whole car. Do another walk around for you guys. We're gonna go ahead and get right into it. So tires look good, rims look good, there's no rug burn. Actually, these tires gotta get changed. These tires are bad. But the front tires gotta go. Well, the front left tire gotta go. Let's see this one. And the front right tire is right behind it. Those are definitely want to get new tires. Back tires look a little bit better, but you can tell in a little while they're probably gonna need some. All right, that's that for the tires and the rims. Here's the interior. So the car is a white on the exterior. Interior, it's got like this really nice, I want to say tan. Very nice tan with the wood grain finish. Of course, you got those beautiful Mercedes-Benz seats. Panel sunroof that goes all the way to the back. Take a look at the back seat. Back seat looks great. Here, this comes down actually nice, and then you have a center console in there, and you actually have storage back here, so that's really nice. Perfect. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get in. Let's start her up. Beautiful. So right here the car has 14,191 miles. Everything seems to be very clean in the car. I don't see any scratches on the leather. I don't see any wear and tear on the steering wheel. I don't see anything on the door. Here you got your seat warmers and then seat cooling, so that's really good. Of course, we got our dynamic speakers. Let's use the navigation. Let's go to media, radio. I'm just gonna switch through. So yeah, they're all working very well. Here you guys can see the center console, automatic start stop. These are the sport mode, eco mode, or sport or individual. So that's really nice. Here we can lift the car for more performance. This is to put the headrest down. So everything looks really good. I mean, this is a very clean car. Very, very clean. Let's see, this is supposed to, okay, so the ashtray comes out there. I don't know if this, there you go. Yeah, this comes from the bottom. There you go. Beautiful. So everything checks out on the car. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. We're gonna go look at the trunk space and we're gonna look under the hood. So hood's right here and the trunk's right here. First, we'll just take a look at the trunk. All right, so you got that spacious, big boy, big body trunk. Right here we have a little tray. Maybe we could keep stuff there. Your OEM carpets. Okay. Badges look good. There is like a bluish tint on the the windows. And here you have your clean Mercedes-Benz engine bay. It looks brand new. It's awesome. I'm going to go ahead and close this. And there you have your brand new Mercedes-Benz.